Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's lesson we are going to develop an Android game. Please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so we are going to develop a simple Android game for kids. Yes, I meant it, a simple Android game for kids. So we are going to design a maze or a puzzle game. Alright, so in this maze or puzzle game, it will be in such a way that as you play and you hit a hindrance or an obstacle, you die. Okay, so if you get to any boundary or any junction, you have to navigate your way through so that your movement will not be hindered. Otherwise, you die. Alright, okay, so in a way, you can get some food, eat, get a strength to reach your goal. Alright, there are a lot of awards that I'll put in here. Alright, so let's get going. What do you think you need? We need our maze or the puzzle. Then we also need the subject. So in this, the subject, we are going to choose a beetle. And we choose our backdrop or the stage as. So first of all, we're going to choose our maze here. So click here, choose our maze. Okay, so we have maze here, so let's select it. Good. So it means that we move through this from here to this part up to this very point. So the next thing is that we choose our sprite. So let's click here. Let's choose a beetle. See, I have to have a beetle. Yes, a beetle. So let's say, can we have a beetle here? A beetle. Beetle. Okay, so we have a beetle here. Good. So this beetle is very big. So let's decrease the size. So we have size here. Size. So we decrease the size of beetle. Let's make it 45. 45. Okay. So the beetle is 45 so that you can navigate through it. Okay. So let's check the position of it. So the direction is 90. 90 means that it's going right. So let's put it on the 0. So 0 means it will be facing upwards. Okay, let me put 0. So that's 0. Alright, so the direction up is 90. Right is up is 0. Right is 90. Left is minus 90. And down is minus 1. Down is 180 degrees. Alright, so let's position the beetle. So this will be the starting point. So let's put the beetle here. Okay, nice one. Now let's come to our coding. So we want the beetle to always remain at where it is. So let's say sprite dot go to xy. Okay, let's go to xy. So what's the position? The position, the y is minus 142. That is minus 142, and the y is minus 159. So always want it to remain at that position. Alright. So the next thing is to set our rules. So in setting rules, you can use the if statement, the while statement, the while statement, and all those. But then this one, since we want the code to run, all of them to run at the same time, we have to generate a global code or the universal code. So let's use the while one. So we're going to run one. So I'll talk more about why we're using that one. So here we're going to use you can use the if statement, the if else statement, but the if statement will help us to run it only once. But then if you use the if else, if the code runs and it reaches a certain point and it's true, that is, if it is true, the rest will not run. But here is the case, you want the code, all of them to be run at the same time, right? So we're going to use if if you press a key. So if you press, we are going to definitely use arrows in playing this key. So we are going to assign position to all these arrows, right? Okay, so if sprite dot, so we are setting what I said that we are setting is key. Okay, so if you press any of the keys, so up, arrow, what's supposed to happen? What's supposed to happen? If you press the up key, what's supposed to happen? Let's set the direction. Sprite, what did we say the up key is? Not set the direction 0. Okay, good. Then sprite will move. Let's give a step to sprite. Sprite will move 10 steps. Okay, alright, so let's copy this one and do it for all the rest of the arrows. Okay, good. So let's do it for that. Let's do it for that. Let's do it for that. Alright, so let's check the indentations. And the indentation. Alright, okay, so this one was upward arrow, so this one be down arrow, this one be left, this one will be right. Okay, so this one, what did we say? The left down is, let's make down is 180, so 180 degrees. The left will be minus 90, and right will be 90 degrees. Alright, okay, so now what again? So when it's going and it hit something, what would you think it will happen? For this one, it's supposed to die. If there's a hindrance, it's supposed to die. So let's set that one to, so if sprite is the starting color, let's say black, 0. So this one we're using the RGB codes. So if it touches color black, what do you think is supposed to happen? It's supposed to die. Supposed to die. Okay, supposed to die. So let's say sprite, say dead. Okay. It's supposed to be see this for 3 seconds. And what's supposed to happen? It has to return to the sprite, or it has to return to its starting point. So sprite will go to this. This is the starting point, right? Okay, this is where it's starting from. So sprite come to this point. Alright, good. Okay, so let's do it for other colors too and see. Maybe some will be for food, some will be for any other thing. So if let's say there's foods, and the sprite will get hungry too. So if the color is, let's say 128, 128, which is green, 128, which is green. Let's say you say I'm hungry. Say I'm hungry. Hungarian. Hungry. Okay, so that one also will be for 30 seconds. So okay, so let's say this one will be yellow, 255, another 255, and let's say this one is food. So we say I am satisfied. Okay, this one will also be for another 3 seconds. And then what about if it touches the finishing line? So that one will be, let's use that one as red, 255. Let's see. It will say winner, and let's make this one as 5 seconds. Okay, let's make it 10 seconds. Okay, let's make it 10 seconds. And then what happens after that? So it's going to break. So after saying that it's a winner, then we break the statement. Alright, so let's see. Now let's try and see if and see what we're going to get. Right, let's run it. Run. It's running. Let's see. Oh, there's an error. So let's go and check our error. So the error says that STEMpedia line 25. Line 25. Okay, where's our line 25? Our line 25 says there's an error at line 25. Okay, so what is wrong with our line 25? What's wrong with our line 25? Line 25. Okay. Let's see, anything wrong with our line 25? Let's run it again and see. Run, no. Okay, line 25 again. Oh, okay. We made it F, not if. So if statement. Good. So there's going to be also if statement. Okay, so this one is also an if statement. Alright. If statement. So now let's run. Let's run. Okay, so now let's see. So moving our Beetle. Okay, so it's going. Ooh, the Beetle is moving. The Beetle is moving. The Beetle is moving. The Beetle is moving. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. Oh, okay. Let's start again. Let's start again. Let's start again. Let's start again. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. Oh, okay. It's moving fast. Okay. Okay. This Beetle can move fast. Oh. Okay. Okay. It is going. It is going. It is going. It is going. Oh, okay. It is going. Ooh, we won. We won. We won. Okay, so there is the result of our code. Yeah, we won. Alright, so we won. So it's done running. So if we are to run it again, the beta will come back and start from where it started from. So let's see. Let's see again.